So I started noticing something strange working across a bunch of different teams. We kept rebuilding a lot of the same components. A button would exist in one part of the product and then somewhere else. There'd be another version of that same button, but just slightly different, different spacing, different behavior, and of course, different states. At first, I thought it was just an inconsistency, but it just kept happening. It kept happening across teams, across products, and across different orgs. And then it clicked. This wasn't just a design issue, this was a systems issue. Because this is actually a common pattern across most design systems. In a lot of organizations, only about 60% of components are actually used regularly. Well, the rest just sits there unused. Which means teams aren't ignoring the systems by accident, they're working around it. When there's no shared understanding of what the system actually is, people default to what's fastest. They rebuild. Not because they want to, but because they don't trust what's there, they don't know it exists, or it doesn't fit their use case. A lot of teams say they have a design system, but what they really have is just a collection of components. There's a big difference. A real system isn't just about something you reference, it's something that an entire organization aligns on. So that's design, development, and product. Because when systems are treated like infrastructure, teams actually move faster. Some studies show up to 30% productivity gains and significantly stronger alignment across teams when systems are properly implemented. So, design at scale isn't about what you create, it's about what gets reused. And if your system isn't being used, it's probably not a system, it's just documentation. I'm curious how this shows up in your team. Are your design systems actually being used or just documented? If this is something you're thinking about, I'll be breaking more of this down. Anyways, I appreciate you watching, and I'll see you in the next one.